We're going to go ahead and start mixing our epoxy. I am going to be mixing 4 gallons in a 5-gallon mixing bucket using a drill. I'm going to have to mix very slowly. I'm going to extend the mix time a little bit because sometimes when you're mixing slower with a drill, it takes a little longer to adequately mix your product. So make sure once you're up to your temp and you're fully mixed, make sure to get it out of that pail. If you notice, I never mask off any of the backsplashes. I just pour very carefully up to them. If you were to mask the backsplash, you'd actually end up getting a bunch of the blue tape or whatever color tape stuck, and you'd see a line where it would cure in. So just take your time, be patient with it flowing up into those edges. And that's definitely the best way to have a really clean transition into your backsplash.